Setcrete high-tack carpet spray adhesive is designed for installing various textile floor coverings on absorbent and non-absorbent subfloors, suitable for repairs and perimeter fixing of PU, foam gel-backed carpets, carpet tiles, underlay, and other soft textile floor coverings to smooth prepared floors like Setcrete floor leveling compounds, sand, cement, or concrete screeds, plywood, chipboard, and hardboard. Before use, always read the instructions and make sure floor surfaces are suitably prepared, being sound, dry, less than 75% relative humidity, and free from contaminants that may prevent adhesion. Shake well and remove the lid. Holding the can 15 to 20 centimeters from the material to be bonded, spray an even coat of Setcrete high-tack carpet spray adhesive. On absorbent surfaces, spray both surfaces to be bonded and allow the solvent to evaporate. Drying is dependent on conditions, but ensure the bond is made between 3 and 10 minutes of the spray being applied. For very porous surfaces, you may require 2 coats of spray adhesive to provide a suitable bond. Bring both surfaces together and press firmly from the center outwards over the entire area to be bonded.